Man, what is good with y'all? Man, what is good with y'all? It's your boy OG from the Woe Clan and also from the Node. And we're back today with another video. We are going to teach you how to make a thumbnail in Photoshop. Now, again, pretty simple methods here. Photoshop has been upping their AI and I'm loving it. It's making life a whole lot easier. So this is what I do for thumbnails. First, you want to make thumbnail faces, right? So in the last video, I edited a video about the grapple game. So grapple game is exciting. Well, one, you want to make sure you come with a title and you know what you're going for. How you going to hook those people in? So right now, again, just for an example, I'm going to try to make an exciting face, right? So you want to record yourself just like this, right? Get real close to your camera and make some dumbass faces. Oh, ah, 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 oh, oh, ooh, ah. You know what I'm saying? Make some stupid ass faces. Then, all right, back. So you want to stop recording. Then you want to go down to your files. I like watching people react to like Kendrick Lamar. Like I love seeing their first reactions and stuff like that. I'm gonna subscribe. You know, shout out to the followers out there. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, and the video should be right here. I want to say, boom. You want to open that up, right? Man, what is good with y'all? Fast forward to your camera. Dumbass faces. Oh. You pause it, right? You want to pause it and find that face. Then you want to press Shift, Windows, and S. That's the screenshot tool. Drag it, boom, screenshot. Now you want to grab a couple of these. Oh my goodness. Right, just want to grab a couple of these, right? Because you might need them later. You never know. I ain't gonna lie, these faces are real ugly. And again, you ain't gotta be fake like this either. Like you can make some good faces, right? You ain't gotta be all over exaggerated like I'm doing it right now. I'm just trying to be funny. But yeah, we're gonna get this right. Photoshop, boom. And I like this white one right here, the beta version, because it got the AI attached to it. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna open that bit up like that. Okay. So boom, we got Photoshop open. Go to new file. 1280 by 720 is like a YouTube thumbnail, you know, size. Click on that, create, boom. Pictures, screenshots, scroll down. Let's do this one. Check this out, right? Once you drag it in, press enter so it can be in there. Select it. Remove background. Look how clean it's about to look. Boom! Not too bad. Not too bad. Click it, drag it, put it like in a corner. Big face, big face, big face. Big face, big face. We're gonna put right here. And maybe tilt it up a little bit. Maybe. Yeah. Or tilt it down. Yeah. Aha. Don't look too bad. Boom. Right? Nice big faces. Big face. Look at that. Right? Now, some of the edges look a little raggedy, a little jaggedy. The cool thing about, you know, removing the background, it does create a mask, right? So with a mask, you can select that area or that screen right there, press E, and you can, you know, delete it, right? In this case, we want to click on this right here, switch it, and we can add that stuff that was gone back. So right here, you want to make sure you have a soft brush. Make sure the size is small and the hardness is like under half. And you just want to come here on the edge and just, you know, give it a little brush. Give it a little brush. Yeah, nice. Nice and easy little brush. Right? Switch it back. Delete. Yeah. I want to delete this too. Yeah. Nice little brush. Delete a little extra. Again, I'm doing the most. All right, easy, right? Easy. Now we're gonna get the background. We're gonna go ahead and just go to Google. I was about to type in Google and Google. Don't judge me. Grapple game. That's why I typed in G. Okay. Grapple game. Is it Grapple Galore? It's her images. Make sure you want to get the biggest images you can find. So go to size, large, and let's find some good images. I don't know. Let's see. That one's actually kind of cool. We also got this one's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and save that. That's in my movie debate one. That one's pretty cool, but it's blurry. We don't want that. We don't know blurriness. This right here. That's nice and clear. I'll show y'all something real quick. You see how he did it? Look at the little dumb face he made. You see what I'm saying? Save. Talking about some crazy, you know? Yeah, you gotta YouTube it. YouTubeify it, you know? So boom, those are saved. Go here. Movie details. Let's look for that. Right here. Boom. Boom. Drag it in. Boom. Now see, it's on top of, you know, my face, which is fine for now because we're gonna do this. Remove background. Crazy, right? Or we can keep it, but I don't know. I kind of want to remove it. Man, that's ugly. Never mind. So what we can do this. Click on this. Hold on. Click on the magic wand. How you do that is you hold down, drag, let go. Boom. It's gonna get everything that's orange. It's gonna try. Press shift to, you know, add more to it. And darker areas. And not too bad, not too bad. Oh, press E, click, and it should give you the option to turn it into a smart object. Press delete. Boom. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. Now you want to click on mask. This is gonna make it a lot easier. You can just erase this, or you can drag lasso, grab the lasso, go around it. And then right here, generative fill. Click on that. Remove text. Enter. Oh, yeah. Let's watch this. Let that load up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Boom, gone. Then you want to hold shift, drag that, click that, right click, merge layers. Boom. All right, I'm going to get rid of all this other stuff here. Oh, damn. Mask. I always try to erase on masks. It just makes everything easier. So if you overdo it, you can always fix it. Because if you just erase it, it's gonna be hard to fix. Z is a zoom. I don't know what this is called, an asterisk or like a comma. I don't know what that is, but that's how you get smaller. That's how you get bigger on erasing. Let me get some extra details. All right, and look at this. I didn't even notice that. Again, I'm just being extra. Stuff don't really matter. So on when you do the magic wand, you do want to delete it though. Cancel it on that one. And switch back over to erase. Control triangle to like control triangle on that. I'm gonna flip it. Damn, I'm gonna flip it. Yeah. Wow. Damn, all that white on it. They're killing me. All right. Go to background. I think I had one. Let me drag that to the back, I guess. That ain't bad. Now, what's getting me is the text. So we're going to press the I on that, press the I on that, bring it up. Let's just remove this text here real quick. Right. I don't know. Get out the way. All right. And then you get different options too. Like I think that might look better. Yeah, with the grass right there. Boom. And then drag this to the bottom. Make sure it's shift, bam, merge layers, boom. Put that back up, boom, boom, boom. Now I can get real spicy right now because it looks kind of dull. I'm gonna press filter, camera raw filter, and just play with this here. I don't know. It'll make it look more epic to me. And you kind of want to do the same for this. Look all right. Not too bad. And then if you don't get real crazy, I'm gonna say I don't know, go here, dodge, just make it dark, make it a smart object. Where's when did I click on that? Can darken up some areas. Hat for sure. Edge. And then one cool thing you do is go to patch tool, zoom in a little bit, get all your imperfections up out of there, make it smooth. This is what like Mr. Beast them do. They get all the lines up out of there, make you look just hyper. Like, look at my teeth. What the fuck is going on here? That don't even make sense. Oh, one other thing you can do. Let's see, dodge. Eyes. Something about the eyes. Make it pop. Dodge is light. Burn is black, by the way, if I didn't say that. And there you go. And then if you want a title, titles. That was pretty simple. Pretty self-explanatory on titles. Now at this point, you're just kind of watching me as I work, because it's just a lot. I just wanted to finish this up. We're gonna do all right there. All right, so with titles, I like using the Coma Access. This is what Mr. Beast used. This font, and I always try to write something that kind of sticks out. Remember that one boy said crazy. I don't know. I might be the best. I don't know. Right? Just to get people like riled up. Like, you're the best at what? Not better than all right. So drop shadow. I use that. I like that. Boom. You know, I kind of drop the spread a little bit, make it like that. That's really it. And then we can go here, change the color to like, I like that color blue. I like blue. I normally use like a dark yellow. That's what I normally do. And then yeah, just kind of put that somewhere. Now I kind of don't want it to be like over the guy. Maybe put it in the top corner right here, maybe. And maybe I can put it below. I ain't gonna lie, might be the best, ain't bad. This one's tough. Cause like I want the text to be a good size. Like that's too small in my opinion. Yeah, and that's how you make a thumbnail. You know what I'm saying? File, export as JPG, and boom. And then the cool thing about like YouTube is that they now have the option. Like this last one, I just had to get this out the way. But you now have the option, you test report, to run 3 different thumbnails at a time. And whichever one does the best, then you know that's the thumbnail. Now I had to do that this morning. I had to run to work, but I'm gonna go ahead and edit this one as well. But hey, it's your boy Odie from the Woe Clan. That's all you gotta do. And I'm out.